Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is April the 4th. As per usual, this is a series that'll sort of show you behind the scenes type of stuff you can expect to see from us here at 4th Fabric Studio. I wanted to stop and let y'all know that we started our A Day in May Mystery Quilt Kit. As you see right here, week 1 has been posted with all the instructions and everything inside, so be sure to check this out on our website. The link will be linked below. So yeah, now that we got out of the way, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching so much. This week was sort of shorter of a video, but I thank you all for continuing to check out this series. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, including the mystery quilt kit that I talked about early on in this video. So, like this video if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we will see you next week.